Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store on OnePlus Nord 2T. So let's try finding Call of Duty now. Wrong thing, here's Call of Duty, but as you can see there's no proper game. And now in order to fix this we'll need to go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, family, and here go for parental controls. Now there's two ways we can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls right here, enter your PIN and click OK. Next is to move to apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK. Now increase PG to at least 16 or 18 or allow all included unrated. Then press save. Let's go back, try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.